Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to combine two Camtasia projects. Now you see here I have two projects, Stupid 1 and Stupid 2. I'm gonna open Stupid 1. You see, this is a business couple who is too busy to relax. They have to work by the pool on their vacation. This is Stupid 1. Now if I open a second project, Stupid 2, then Stupid 1 will automatically close. What is this? Oh, now both of them are arguing with the clients on the phone. What a romantic coincidence. I just hope that they're so mad that they will throw everything into the swimming pool. That would be fun. I want to combine this project with Stupid 1. So how do I do that? Press Ctrl A to select everything in this project. Right click, add to library, rename it Stupid 2. Alright, now open Stupid 1 again. Go to the library. You see here, Stupid 2. Drag it into the timeline. See? Then you can edit the video like usual. So easy, isn't it? This is how you merge two or multiple projects in Camtasia. I hope this tip can help you create awesome work using Camtasia. Thank you for watching. Bye!